Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this evening's presentation. On tonight's menu, creamy Thai red curry with shrimp and jasmine rice. Morning mise en place. Just after prep. Evening mise en place in order of appearance. I start off by heating up some olive oil in the brazier. I add the onion and saute. I add the ginger and the garlic and saute for about another minute. Add the peppers and the gray squash. And then I add the curry paste. Then I add the stock and stir. Then I add the coconut milk and stir to combine. Then I add the extra fluids and brown sugar. Then I add the shrimp and cook the shrimps and stir. This is the final dish in the brazier. The jasmine rice is ready. And the final creamy Thai red curry with shrimp and jasmine rice. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Have fun cooking.